This is AI Scope, your front row seat to the AI revolution. Every week we explore powerful AI tools, uncover hidden features, and see if they truly deliver. If you want smarter tools and smarter decisions, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to build a complete startup website in under 2 minutes using AI. No coding, no templates, just one prompt. This is Framer AI, an AI-powered website builder that generates full landing pages from a simple description. I'm going to test whether this is actually useful or just another overhyped AI tool. Let's start the timer. Here's my prompt. Create a modern landing page for an AI crypto analytics startup. Use a dark theme. Include a hero section, features, pricing table, testimonials, and a strong call to action. That's it. Now I click Generate. You can see it building the layout automatically. It's creating the headline, choosing fonts, setting colors, structuring sections, and even writing the copy. No design adjustments, no drag and drop. Everything is generated from a single sentence, and we're still under 2 minutes. All right, the website is ready. Let's take a closer look. The hero section is clean, strong headline, clear button, good spacing. Scrolling down, the features section is properly structured with icons and short descriptions. The pricing table is already formatted with 3 tiers. Testimonials are generated automatically. Design-wise, this looks surprisingly modern. Now the copywriting is a bit generic. It sounds like typical AI marketing text, but structurally, the layout is solid. Let's quickly check the mobile version. Responsive, no broken sections. Spacing still looks clean. So here's the real question. Can this replace a professional web developer? For complex web applications, dashboards, or custom systems, no. But for startups, landing pages, MVPs, or testing a business idea quickly? Yes, absolutely. This reduces hours of design work into minutes. For founders, creators, or anyone launching a SaaS or crypto project, this is a serious productivity boost. AI isn't replacing developers, but it is replacing slow workflows. Let me know if you want me to compare Framer AI with other AI website builders in the next video. See you in the next one.